हाय, बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, हियर इज मी इन अ वॉइस ओवर टेलिंग यू कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी।
एक होता है हिंदी सिनेमा का रिडिकुलस लेवल कि कुछ भी हो रहा है, विलन पिट रहे हैं, बनियान फट रही है, हीरो उड़ रहा है, चलता है हमारे यहाँ, रिवाज है ये सब। फिर एक होता है टाइगर श्रॉफ का सिनेमा। इट्स जस्ट अनदर प्लेन ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस। इट्स अमेजिंग। Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and right now I am going to try to talk about Heropanti 2. Our hero's name is Bablu because why not? और वो चैन और अमन की जिंदगी जीने के लिए यॉर्कशायर में शायद अपनी माँ के साथ आजकल रह रहा है until his violent past comes back to haunt him और उसको अपनी murderous hand to hand combat skill के साथ साथ hacking skills को भी यूज करना पड़ता है दोबारा for some reasons which मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आया but they have something to do with national security. तो एक तरफ सरकार, एक तरफ notorious magician slash mob boss a man named लैला, एक तरफ बबलू की माँ और एक तरफ तारा सुतारिया playing a character who's supposed to be a billionaire video game developer but instead is debasing the entire female gender in one fell swoop. बीच में बबलू बेचारा चारों तरफ सर मार रहा है like a ping pong machine. रजत अरोड़ा, जगदीश शर्मा and साजिद नाडियाडवाला की writing is just impossible to comprehend. इंटरवल में जो गाने आते हैं ना, लायरा लायरा anytime everywhere, they have a better screenplay. Heropanti 2 jumps between present day and an ambiguous time in the past constantly until it reaches a point where Tiger Shroff and Tara Sutaria perhaps themselves could not say which timeline they are in. You as an audience certainly have no idea. It doesn't help that चाहे flashback हो या forward, हर 3-4 set pieces के बाद एक गाना आता है. While the set pieces are mostly designed as a showreel for Tiger to show Hollywood कि किस किस्म का action जो है हम भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर, as Tiger himself has said in interviews recently that his end goal is to work in the West. So I say good for him because what he does indeed is a near impossible feat to achieve. He's very fit and he jumps like it's no one's business. But I am mad perplexed thinking about these songs, man. Until yesterday, I was completely unaware that there is a new Rahman album on the market. सच बताओ कितने लोगों को पता था that Heropanti 2 is an A.R. Rahman musical? Just saying that line out loud feels like I am in a different timeline. This film uses Rahman's music in the most bizarro way possible. एक तो न जाने डायरेक्टर अहमद खान और उसके सारे मेल राइटर्स ने मिलकर क्यों डिसाइड किया कि जितने भी औरतें इस फिल्म में हैं या तो वो गधी हैं या बारबी जैसी सुंदर और वैपिड. तो एक सीक्वेंस में बबलू और इनाया घोड़े के अस्तबल में जाते हैं टू गेट अ बुलेट रिमूव फ्रॉम बबलूज बट बिकॉज ही कांट गो टू अ रियल हॉस्पिटल. ठीक है. इन वॉक्स द फीमेल डॉक्टर, अ व्हाइट वुमन विद 75% ऑफ हर ब्रेस्ट्स आउट ऑफ हर शर्ट, inexplicably wearing a party sash which says prom queen. Is she a nurse? Is she a stripper? जैसे जैसे वो अपनी ड्रूल को बेचारी मुंह में रोक कर टीकाकरण करके बेचैन बबलू को सुलाती है और इस प्रोसीजर को देखकर इनाया बेहोश हो जाती है. When Inaya comes around, Bablu is gone and the bosomy doctor informs Inaya that down the street एक zombie party चल रही है. बबलू उधर गया होगा शायद. क्यों? Why not? Cut to Bablu, who's just had a bullet surgically removed from his butt, and I use the word surgically very loosely. He's on a throne in the lawns of a palace which looks like it's the grounds from that Firang college from K3G. वो कौन है जिसने मुड़ के पू को नहीं देखा? Anyway, रहमान की बात यहाँ पे हो रही थी ना, तो यहाँ गाना शुरू होता है दफाकर, which has no business being here in the screenplay, but you've given up at this point. Over and over, Bablu sings of things one must do to live a chill life, and the hook line the fucker repeats until it begins to sound like Rahman himself in his own voice is singing the fucker. There's no reason for you to believe me. I'm going to link to the song. You go listen to the hook line yourself. Is A.R. Rahman in on the joke? If not, who's going to tell him? To completely fill the ghada of ludicrousness, Nawazuddin Siddiqui plays a gangster named Laila, a grotesque caricature of a queer person whose big, evil, inexplicable plan is to steal the entire nation's tax returns sab ek saath ek din on the 31st of March. I was frankly okay with the coiffed hair and the makeup on face until he, much like his sister, by the way, Tara Sutaria, forcefully kisses Bablu and they both do it in separate scenes and it's played for laughs दोनों time. और मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा how this is okay. But भाइयों, हद तो तब हुई जब एक action sequence में Laila makes Bablu chase him through sequences of giant puzzle rooms, and the second room, and I wish what I'm about to say was not true, but it is, the second room is the Professor McGonagall's enchanted wizarding chess set from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Pause this video here, go back 10 seconds and hear me say that sentence again. Tiger Shroff is on this chessboard, the giant magic pieces are moving, they look just like the ones in the very first Harry Potter film, and I once again ask, is everyone in on it? Does Nawazuddin Siddiqui know? Does no one know? Has Warner Brothers seen this? ऐसे कैसे हॉलीवुड जाएंगे जब हॉलीवुड वाले ये देखकर मजाक उड़ाएंगे? नहीं हो आप जैकी चैन, नहीं है ये रंबल इन द ब्रॉन्क्स। इस फिल्म के एक एक सीक्वेंस के बजट में आपकी, मेरी और हमारे जो 40,000 सब्सक्राइबर हैं इस चैनल पर, सबकी गाड़ी या घर की EMI निकल आती बहुत सारी। Why this huge disgusting waste of money and resources? Who is this film entertaining or aspirational to? Why do men of the entertainment industry get to play around with legit Lamborghinis when females and other underrepresented filmmakers, storytellers struggle to be let inside rooms where these decisions are made? Who asked me to watch this film and review it? Is director Ahmed Khan watching this and laughing, looking at me have a meltdown over his film? He knows his crap. Who gives a flying the fucker? Heropanti 2 is in movie theaters. You have been warned. अब तो कर लो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, हैं? और कितनी मेहनत करूं मैं बताओ?